How to create a Google form and share link 2025 full tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a Google form and share its link in the easiest way. So what you're going to do is obviously come over to docs.google.com/forms, which is the Google form URL. Now, once we're over here, to create a Google form, simply come here where it says blank form. Now, once you click on blank form, it's going to open up a blank form right about here. And once we're over here, you can go ahead and add different, workings into your font by adding different questions. You can add different types of textings, add images for yourself if you want to. That all depends on you, on how you choose to create your form. But yeah, once all of this is done, how do you go ahead and publish it or share it? So to share the link, what you're going to do is you're going to click on share. Once you click on share, you can go ahead and change the axis. So let's say I'm going to go with editor view on anyone with the link, responder view, anyone with the link. Once you've done that, you're simply going to go ahead, click on done. You're going to click on publish. And once you click on publish, what's going to happen is they're going to be providing you with a proper full-fledged link. And you can find that link over here, which is copy responder link. Once you copy it, as you can see, if I paste it over here, and I go over to it, this is my form that they're going to come to. So that is how you're going to create a Google form and share its link. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.